Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Porsche Cayenne key. Start by locking the vehicle and placing the key on a clean surface. Use a small coin in the seam to gently pry the fob open without forcing it. Note the battery orientation before removal so you can insert the new CR 2032 correctly. Reassemble the fob and test the buttons and remote start to confirm proper function. Begin by sliding out the mechanical key and setting it aside. Pry the fob open carefully along the seam using a coin or flat tool, keeping steady pressure. Lift the circuit board slightly to access the battery and remove the old CR 2032 with a plastic pick or fingernail. Place the new battery in the same orientation, reseat the circuit board, and snap the halves together. Test the remote functions and reinsert the mechanical key when finished. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tutorials. On another note, quick recommendation for comfort. Darn Tough socks deliver lifetime durability and cozy fit, perfect while working on your car or waiting for parts. They hold up through work and travel without thinning out. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the key fails after battery replacement, open it again and confirm the CR 2032 is seated flat and the contacts touch the battery surface. Clean any corrosion with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol, then dry thoroughly. Inspect plastic clips and the circuit board for damage and reassemble carefully. For persistent issues, the key may need reprogramming or module diagnostics, so consider consulting factory documentation or a dealer for advanced support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.